YouTube officially released video chapters this week. Creator timestamps from their video descriptions now automatically turn into video chapters in the progress bar. This feature will be available on the desktop, Android, and iOS version. They will only appear when creators add timestamps data to their description starting with position 00:00. Let me show you an example in a video that I just made. You'll see in the description here I've shown the timestamps that I've made starting with 00:00. These are the chapters that I've engaged in the video. If we go up, we will now see the timeline, and you will see as I run my cursor along the timeline, you will see the different sections that are named. Clicking on those sections will take you immediately to the location. The real cool thing is that the timeline markers that are on the timeline here are automatically created from the timestamp in the description. So in this example, I'm playing the video in the section called Organizing Your Smartphone. I move my cursor along the line and come back and want to see the security talk by Bob. I can simply click on this and it takes me right to the security talk. Another example would be as if I'm in the smartphone talk and I want to move to the security talk. I can scroll down and simply come over here and click on the time 9:14 to go right to the security talk.
And share your screen.
And there we are in the security talk. Ron Brown with Silvercom Computer and Technology Club. Video chapters by YouTube.